Managing your finances is a crucial skill that can significantly impact your quality of life. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can take control of your money, achieve your financial goals, and secure a prosperous future. In this video, we will explore expert tips and tricks on how to manage your money efficiently. From budgeting and saving to investing wisely, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Creating a budget. A well-structured budget acts as your financial GPS, guiding you towards smart money management. It helps you allocate your income judiciously, ensuring your essential expenses are met while leaving room for savings and investments. With a clear budget in place, you'll have a strategic plan for your finances, preventing overspending and promoting financial stability. This proactive approach empowers you to achieve your financial goals and build a secure future, all while maintaining control over your money. In summary, a well-defined budget is your financial compass, steering you in the right direction toward financial success. 2. Tracking your expenses. To gain a clear understanding of your financial outflows, it's crucial to meticulously track your expenses. Employ dedicated apps or spreadsheet tools to systematically categorize your expenditures. This diligent approach enables you to discern precisely how and where your money is being utilized, shedding light on areas where potential cost reductions are feasible. By identifying these opportunities to cut back, you can establish a more efficient and sustainable financial strategy. In essence, diligent expense tracking empowers you to take control of your finances, optimize your spending, and work towards achieving your financial goals. 3. Reducing debt. High-interest debts pose a significant threat to your financial stability. To regain control, it's imperative to formulate a systematic debt repayment strategy, commencing with those high-interest loans. Begin by allocating extra funds towards these loans, focusing on clearing them first. This approach minimizes the overall interest accrued, hastening your journey to debt freedom. Additionally, consider consolidating or refinancing options to secure lower interest rates, further easing the debt burden. By prioritizing and methodically addressing high-interest debts, you can alleviate financial strain, reduce interest expenses, and pave the way to a debt-free future, securing your financial well-being. 4. Diversifying investments. Diversifying your investment portfolio is a fundamental strategy for risk reduction. By distributing your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you mitigate the impact of a downturn in any one area. Stocks offer growth potential, bonds provide stability, and real estate offers a tangible asset. This balanced approach helps safeguard your investments against market volatility. When one asset class underperforms, others may excel, creating a buffer. Effective diversification ensures that your financial future remains resilient and better positioned to weather economic fluctuations, ultimately increasing your chances of achieving your long-term investment goals. 5. Minimizing taxes. Exploring tax-efficient strategies is crucial to reduce your tax burden. Investing in tax-advantaged accounts, such as 401ks or IRAs, is a smart move. These accounts offer tax benefits like deferred taxation or tax-free withdrawals, depending on the type. By channeling your investments through these accounts, you can lower your current tax liability and potentially grow your investments more effectively. Additionally, consider tax loss harvesting, charitable contributions, and other tax-saving techniques to optimize your financial strategy. Embracing these approaches helps you keep more of your hard-earned money and enhance your overall financial health. 6. Exploring additional income streams. Boosting your financial stability can be achieved by exploring side gigs or additional investments that generate extra income. Side gigs, such as freelance work or part-time jobs, can provide a steady stream of supplementary earnings. Similarly, consider investment opportunities like dividend stocks, rental properties, or peer-to-peer lending platforms that yield passive income. These additional income sources not only bolster your financial security but also offer a buffer against unexpected expenses or economic downturns. By diversifying your income streams, you enhance your overall financial resilience and gain more control over your financial future. It's a proactive approach to building a solid financial foundation. 7. Exploring tax credits and deductions. Legally reducing your tax burden is possible by capitalizing on available tax credits and deductions. These incentives, offered by the government, can significantly lower your tax liability. Examples include the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, and deductions for education expenses or mortgage interest. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria and keep meticulous records to claim these benefits during tax season. By taking advantage of these opportunities, you can optimize your tax strategy, retain more of your income, and make a wise financial move within the bounds of the law. 8. Teaching financial literacy. Empowering your family with financial knowledge is a valuable legacy. By sharing your insights and expertise, you equip them with the tools to make informed financial decisions. Teach them about budgeting, saving, investing, and responsible borrowing. This education ensures they navigate their financial journeys with confidence, setting them up for a secure and prosperous future. Passing on your financial wisdom strengthens your family's financial well-being and fosters a culture of financial responsibility. 9. Learning from mistakes. Financial setbacks are a universal experience. Embrace them as opportunities to learn, adapt your approach, and persist. Adjusting your strategy and pressing forward despite setbacks demonstrates resilience and the determination to achieve your financial goals. In the face of adversity, perseverance becomes your greatest asset on the path to financial success. 10. Saving for retirement. Initiating retirement planning early is crucial. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs to harness the compounding effect. By starting early, your investments have more time to grow exponentially. Compounding ensures that your contributions generate earnings, which then generate more earnings over time. This compounding snowball can significantly boost your retirement savings. A proactive approach to retirement planning sets the stage for financial security in your golden years, making it a wise financial move. Effective money management is a skill that can transform your financial future. By following these expert tips and tricks on how to manage your money, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Remember, it's never too late to start taking control of your finances and securing a brighter future. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.